Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that has warmed hearts and healed souls for centuries. The incredible, time-tested remedy that has been simmering its way through history: chicken soup. Have you ever wondered why, across cultures and generations, chicken soup has been hailed as the ultimate comfort food and a go-to remedy for everything from the common cold to a broken heart? Well, you're in for a treat as we unravel the rich tapestry of this steaming bowl of goodness that has nourished not just our bodies, but our spirits as well. So, buckle up, food enthusiasts and history buffs alike, as we embark on a journey through time to explore why chicken soup has held a special place in our collective hearts for thousands of years. From ancient remedies to modern science, get ready to discover the secrets behind this soul-soothing elixir that transcends cultural boundaries and continues to be a source of comfort in our fast-paced world. But before we get simmering, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious explorations into the world of food and history. Now, let's ladle out the wisdom and savor the story of why chicken soup remains a timeless remedy for the ages. For millennia, chicken soup has been used as a medicinal remedy. But why? For generations, people all across the world have been making a cup of chicken soup for a sick loved one. Generations from almost every culture now attest to the health advantages of chicken soup. While the dish is commonly cooked with noodles in the United States, several cultures have their own unique ways of preparing this comforting meal. The history of chicken soup as a treatment dates back to Pedanius Dioscorides, an army surgeon under the Roman Emperor Nero who lived around 60 AD. Early doctors used Dioscorides' 5-volume medical encyclopedia for more than a millennium. However, chicken soup's history dates back thousands of years, to ancient China. I know why chicken soup is so popular: the rich, delicious flavors of the chicken, veggies, and noodles combined with the warmth of the broth. As a registered dietitian and professor of dietetics and nutrition, umami, the fifth taste sense after sweet, salty, sour, and bitter, is what gives the soup its unique flavor. Its flavor is frequently characterized as meaty, enhanced hunger and improved digestion. All of that makes sense because meals with an umami taste contain the amino acid glutamate, which is one of the building blocks of proteins. Meat and poultry are not the only items that have umami flavor. Cheese, mushrooms, miso, and soy sauce also do. Research indicates that the therapeutic benefits of chicken soup are mostly dependent on its flavor. Many of the patients I meet with upper respiratory infections suddenly stop eating or don't eat at all. This is due to the fact that severe illnesses create an inflammatory reaction that can make you feel less hungry. If you're not hungry, it's doubtful that you'll consume enough food to sustain your health and strengthen your immune system. However, research indicates that the umami flavor of chicken soup might encourage increased appetite. In one study, participants reported feeling more peckish after tasting a soup that researchers had added umami flavor to. Umami may also enhance nutrient digestion, according to other research. Our bodies prepare our digestive tracts to absorb protein more readily after our brains detect umami through the taste receptors on our tongues. This can lessen the gastrointestinal symptoms that a lot of people encounter while they're sick. While most individuals don't link upper respiratory infections to gastrointestinal problems, studies on children have shown that the flu virus exacerbates symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach pain. It may lessen nasal congestion and irritation. White blood cells move to inflamed tissue to aid in healing, causing inflammation, which is the body's normal reaction to injury or disease. Common cold and flu symptoms, like a stuffy or runny nose, sneezing, coughing, and thicker mucus, are caused by this inflammatory process in the upper airway. On the other hand, reducing the activity of white blood cells in the nasal passages can lessen inflammation. It's also important to note that studies have shown that chicken soup can actually reduce the amount of white blood cells that go to inflammatory areas. It accomplishes this by directly preventing neutrophils, a subset of white blood cells, from entering the inflammatory region. Essential components. It's crucial to take into account the components of chicken soup in order to fully comprehend its calming and restorative properties. Not every chicken soup has a wealth of healthful, nourishing ingredients. For example, many of the antioxidants present in homemade chicken soup are absent from the highly processed canned varieties, whether served with or without noodles. The majority of canned chicken soups are almost entirely devoid of substantial veggies. What distinguishes homemade soup types from canned soups are their essential elements. The body needs chicken as a full source of protein to fight infection. A vast range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can be found in vegetables. Noodles are a readily digestible source of carbohydrates that your body uses for energy and recuperation if they are prepared the American way. Chicken soup's warmth can be beneficial as well. The thick mucus that frequently accompanies respiratory infections is loosened by drinking the beverage and breathing in the fumes, which raise the temperature of nasal and respiratory passages. Research indicates that chicken soup is a more effective way to release mucus than hot water alone. Mucus is also loosened by the herbs and spices, including garlic and pepper, that are occasionally added to chicken soup. Rehydration is aided by the broth's water and electrolyte content. Therefore, in order to optimize the health advantages of chicken soup, I suggest making your own at home. You can do this by adding, among other things, fresh garlic, carrots, celery, and herbs and spices. To choose a more convenient option, check the nutrition information and ingredients label and opt for a soup that has a range of veggies instead than one that is highly processed and lacking in nutrients. In summary, current research indicates that chicken soup actually aids in healing, even though it isn't a foolproof remedy for the flu and colds. It appears Grandma was correct once more. And there you have it, fellow food enthusiasts. The fascinating journey through the ages, exploring why chicken soup has stood the test of time as a remarkable remedy. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the heartwarming history of a dish that has comforted souls for generations. If you found yourself craving a bowl of this liquid gold, or if you've learned something new today, don't forget to let us know in the comments below. Share your favorite chicken soup memories or any special family recipes that have been passed down through the years. We love hearing from you. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell, so you stay updated with our culinary adventures and historical explorations. Your support means the world to us. Before you go, we want to express our gratitude for joining us on this savory journey. Until next time, keep simmering those pots, savor the flavors of history, and take good care of yourselves. This is the Medical Minute, signing off.